Azure, which means
Azure?
which means the blueness of the sky.
Oh,
So it's
awesome.
all about the well-being.
Yeah.
And then part of that is the massage function in the seats and the posturing function. So it adjusts according to your posture, your body posture.
Okay.
And it's also got some nice air conditioning in the seats.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
Even at the back.
At the back as well, yeah. And then some other ones, the longer wheelbase ones, which we don't have a model here today. It's got almost like a seat in a first class airplane that can sort of lay a little bit flat.
Is it? Wow.
So they've really thought about everything.
Awesome. So if I had to travel for about 3 hours with this car,
You'd be alright, eh?
I won't be feeling tired because it massages me along the way.
Yes.
Awesome.
You'll be awake and ready for your next step of your journey.
I love that.
Yeah.
I love how quiet it is. Like
It
there
is.
isn't, any
I'm sure
funny
we can-
sounds outside.
I could go a little bit louder.
Oh, okay. Love it. Love it. It's so smooth.
It is. That's the thing. It is such a nice drive, a smooth drive.
And comfort is the way, hey?
Absolutely.
Like a comfortable car.
You don't feel any bumps.
Yeah.
Not that there are any bumps. There's no potholes, no JMPD.
Of course.
No pedestrians, no anything.
Of course.
So it's a very nice place to
And-
go around and test.
That's amazing. Amazing. Stop it, I like
You
it.
see?
Wow.
So even for a big car.
That's nice. I love big cars. So an SUV for me is the way to go. I feel
it's
more
also-
comfortable. I don't know.
Yes.
I just feel more comfortable in a bigger car.
It is nice, and it's obviously depends on what you want to buy the car for, a car. But this is very
yes.
practical. You can put lots of luggage in the back, all your groceries, suitcases if you're going to travel to the airport. You've got lots of leg room, so
So it's
very
more of a
comfortable.
family car.
Yeah, but it's even this. You can drop your kids off at school with this car. You can go to the office in this car. You can go to the mall in this car. You can go on holiday in this car.
Actually, right.
It is an everyday car, that's for sure.
The interior, you would swear that you're in the comfort of your own home, in the cinema lounge, where
Yeah.
you've got all this nice,
Yeah,
oh, it's
no,
amazing.
lot of
And
attention to detail.
very, very much so. And let's talk about the rates. I know it's nothing less than a couple of millions.
So the menu, I think, is on the back seat there. For
Okay.
this one, I think it's.
I love the balance when you turn on the curb. That's so
Yeah. And it even can go around the track, so it really is all around.
Chomi, did you see the screen?
Yeah, it's
Like all this. Like you've got everything.
not the proper.
What inspired this?
So it's a very English car. So this is from English cars way back in the day. And I
Yeah.
think Bentley always had these manual vent controls. And they
Yeah.
just carried it all over the years. Yeah.
And that's so unique because it's keeping that, what do you call it, that authenticness
100%.
of the brand.
And you can see the.
I didn't even feel like we took a drive. Like it's so,
if
there
you look
wasn't
at
much
the-
noise or anything like that.
No, if you look
It's
at
so
the
calming.
front, the headlights in the front,
Yeah.
the shape of a Protea.
Yes.
Crystal
I
shape
saw.
of a Protea, yeah.
Oh, awesome. Thank
There
you
we
so
go. Thank
much.
you very much. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
This is awesome.